Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. Before going into the video, we request all of our viewers to subscribe our channel and also, if possible, comment in the comment section. This time, our point of discussion is about the question why still now the humanity has not fulfilled the basic necessities for each and every human being that are living here. Now, what is this question related to spiritual knowledge? Certainly, there is a relation. Since people are unaware about spiritual wisdom, we are faced with so many problems. If each and every human being knows the ABCD of spiritual wisdom, there would not have so many problems in the world. We are faced with so many problems. War is one problem, unemployment is another problem, malnutrition is another problem, climate change is another one problem. Similarly, the humanity is facing so many problems, innumerable problems. One of the problem is that we could not up to now fulfill the basic needs or necessities of a common man. Why it is happening? The reason is that any human being inwardly has psychological imbalances. Now, if we are able to correct the psychological imbalances, we will have a better humanity. To correct the psychological imbalances, we must have spiritual wisdom. That's why we are making this spiritual wisdom to each and every human beings of the world. Now we are possessed with much knowledge, much technology. The technology has advanced like anything. Even then, we could not solve this problem. So there must be a basic reason for this. Human beings are designed to seek pleasure. Pleasure has no end. That's why man does not give any importance to necessities. Instead, he gives importance to non-essentials of life. Non-essentials of life are many. So many factories are existing for that purpose only. Human beings are wasting enormous money to produce non-essential items for life. Also, there is need of the spiritual wisdom. Many don't have that kind of spiritual wisdom also. Also, each and every human being is encouraged to have more and more. We are not satisfied with anything. The basic necessities of man are minimum. Even that we could not satisfy. For this, each and every human being is responsible. Now, even after much suffering, why the human being is not transforming himself or herself? Many systems of the world in the past had tried to change the human being. Some systems forcefully tried to change the human being, but they have all failed. All the religions are trying to impart moral knowledge or moral wisdom. Even then, we could not achieve our target. For this, we must take responsibility unto ourselves. Why we are not changing? Why the human beings are not transformed? That is the biggest question. For that, self-awareness is needed. How do we have self-awareness? If we have self-awareness, we treat the whole existence as one. Since we feel that we are separate from the existence, we don't have any sympathy for others. We are very callous. We are unconcerned about what is going on outside of ourselves. But we belong to the same existence. We must be responsible for what is happening. Now, it is entirely our choice to transform ourselves. Nobody else can transform us. Only we can do this. We are both the teacher and the student. We are to learn a lot from the life. Life is common to all the human beings. That's why we in this channel are giving lots of importance to life. Life can be only our teacher. No other instrument can be our teacher. We are to learn from life only. Life has enormous attributes. One must be ever ready to learn from life. Then we can transform ourselves into a original human being. Original human beings are required to solve all the problems that humanity is facing. Spiritual wisdom certainly helps man to become one. Once again, we will come up with another one video describing the another aspect of life.